Knowing you, how can I snooze it?
Tickets at smtickets.com. Jonas Brothers.
Fans dyan, no? K-pop ramen. Uy!
K-pop ramen.
Wow.
Parang you can mix your own ramen, do your...
So, muli, para kay Christopher Pineda, baka tulog ka ngayon, pag-gising mo.
Is going on, but it's starting to like hurt my throat. I don't know if there's something wrong with.
Audio ang maaaring manalo ng overnight stay sa My FM Pampanga. Ipagmamahal at ipagsigawan na.
Alright, only a couple of minutes after 10 o'clock. I'd like...
Hindi ka matali! Hindi mo alam kung sila. Sino talaga may problema?
Is the generic name of Alaxan FR. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ibuprofen and paracetamol is the generic name of Alaxan.
The results will be released soon. New research shows men who take erectile dysfunction.
Jordan ay kinasawi ng 3 sundalong Amerikano. RFM.
At the light for toast, no ever right.